Right here I have the tool cart that you're looking for. So I have everything laid out here and I'm about to start getting assembled. It shows up in a small box, but this looks very easy to set up. All these pieces are powder coated so nicely and it looks like such high quality. So let's go ahead and get started. And this also comes with a very detailed instruction kit, so it's gonna make assembly very easy. First thing I'm gonna do is flip this piece over and we're gonna install the feet. Then we're just gonna go ahead, tighten these up with a supply wrench. After you got all your wheels on, it's gonna look something like this. And we have 360-degree caster wheels that roll so smoothly. Next, we're just gonna take these two pieces and connect them together just like that. And we're just gonna put screws on each side. And just know this does come with its own toolkit, but I like to use my own. There we go, that looks nice and sturdy. Next, we're gonna take this piece right here, and then we're gonna take the piece we just assembled, and we're gonna place it right on here, just like this. Don't forget to take your long screws, and then you're gonna take your nuts, and you're gonna go ahead and put them on the bottom. That's gonna make sure this is gonna be nice and secure and won't come out. This thing is looking nice and sturdy. Next, we're gonna take this tray and place this right on the bottom. There's a little cutout here and a slit here, so it's gonna place right inside and just stay nice and secure. Now we're just gonna take the top part of the tray. Man, does this thing look nice, and it looks like it's gonna fit a ton of tools. We're gonna have a nice sturdy handle we're gonna place right on the side here, and I'm gonna use my little bolt and also my nut. There you go, and just like that, it'll make it a lot easier to move this around your garage or your shop. Let's flip this thing upside down, and now we're gonna place this right on the back just like that, line up the bolt holes, and I have to say this install is super easy and it helps definitely working with quality parts. Now we can take this top piece and actually place it inside this track, and now it's actually starting to look like a tool cart. This is gonna be height adjustable, so all you gotta do is raise and lower this to exactly where you want it, place the pin right inside in the desired spot, and then we're just gonna go ahead and throw in this screw, and this is actually gonna lock it in place, just for another line of security. So next I'm gonna take this piece right here that's gonna hold a bunch of tools, and I'm gonna recommend that you go ahead and push these tabs out a little bit, just like that, so it can slide on. And then once it's on, you can kind of just push these into it just to lock it in place, but that's definitely not going anywhere. One of my favorite parts is it's gonna come with a bunch of these little hooks that you can put all your tools on, so let's go ahead and throw these on. And one last final thing. Now that I have this tool cart assembled, you can actually see with everything on it how practical this really is. I got every tier just about jam-packed with tools, and I'm surprised by how much this actually holds. Guys, so look at this, 360-degree swivel all the way. We have a nice handle that we installed so we can move this back and forth very easily. This also holds a ton of tools with all the features, and we even have storage underneath on the bottom. So this thing is gonna be jam-packed, really practical. If you like to do DIY work in your garage or you're a mechanic in a shop, this could be absolutely perfect for you. Each one of these wheels is actually gonna have their own locking mechanism. And when you wanna unlock it, all you gotta do is pop it, and this thing is gonna be super practical. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is you can actually push this all the way up into the car. Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so check this out, guys. This is actually tucked all the way under my car, and you can see it's not even touching yet. And this is actually able to go over the whole front end of the car. So if I am doing any kind of maintenance work or work inside a vehicle, this is gonna be really practical to have my tools leaning over, so it's a lot easier to access them. Now let's go ahead and look at all these features. So we assembled these hooks. We got 8 of them all the way across the board. I was able to put my oil filter wrench. You can hang regular wrenches. This holds my impact. Tons of room on the top. Now I especially love this attachment on the side because you can put all your screwdrivers and everything nice and neat. I even was able to fit a pen in here. You can remove this as well, and that makes it really practical. So the adjustability is amazing. This goes from 36 inches all the way to 42.9. So it's going to give you a ton of adjustable height on here, and we even get the trays on the bottom. These wheels are really soft and smooth, and one of my favorite parts is this is actually removable, so this just sits on here. So if you do need just a little bit more extra room while you're working in your car, I've noticed that you could actually pick this up and you could place this kind of wherever you want and just throw some nuts and bolts in here real quick and easy. And I think that makes it super practical. And one of the best parts about this is this actually holds up to 220 pounds. That is so impressive for this tool cart. It makes it very practical for your garage or your shop. I also love the handle because if I do need to move my tool cart to another section of where I'm working, it's super easy to do so. This thing is actually amazing, and I'm really impressed with how many tools this holds, how easy it was to build, and just the capability of it. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice tool cart that is sleek, sturdy, and very practical. Add this to your Amazon cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.